Olá, tudo bom? So today we make easy cocktail. For this cocktail, we just need the rum, Angostura bitter, and maple syrup. So we just need the rock glass or whatever glass you have in your home. You put a lot of ice. Okay, it's very important we have on the ice, the glass full. So we just need the 16 millimeter from rum. It's a very easy cocktail. It's like we say in Brazil. The cocktail is molezinha, and it's so easy we say molezinha. So just the rum. After rum, we use the maple syrup. It's 12 and a half is enough. You can put less if you want, if you feel so sweet. It's okay. So and then we using the Angostura bitter. This is for not make the cocktail so sweet. That's why we use a bitter and sweet to make a balance. It then mix a lot. It's very important to mix a lot of it to not feel so sweet and you have a cold cocktail. Okay, so after tasting, look amazing. You finish with the zest with orange. Okay, this will make it so you smell more citrus. It's a really nice combination. And then it's finished. So, tchau guys. Te vejo depois.